Okay, so in this question is calculate the rate of loss of heat through a glass window of area this, thickness this, and temperature inside and outside the is given. So means let us suppose this one is a glass window. Okay, I am drawing three dimensionally. So this is a window. It has some thickness. What is the value of that thickness? Is 0.4 in centimeter unit. So in meter unit you can convert, but all the things are given in means the K glass conductivity, thermal conductivity of the glass is given in CGS system. So I am not changing it. Okay, so it is 0.4 centimeter. Now what is happening? Let's suppose this is outside and this is inside the room. Okay, so outside its temperature is minus 5 degrees centigrade and inside its temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. What will happen? Heat will try to go from higher temperature to lower temperature, and since within in between them a layer is present by of glass material, so through that glass material heat will transfer. So it is the process of conduction. Okay, so what are the informations given? Area of the glass slab is given 1000 centimeter square, thickness is given, temperature difference which you can say delta theta or delta t, it is given 37 minus of minus 5 because it is in negative temperature. So 42 degrees centigrade, or even you can say 42 Kelvin. Why Kelvin? Because change in temperature in centigrade scale and Kelvin scale are same. Now we have to find out the rate of heat loss. So basically delta Q by delta T we need to find out, and we know the formula regarding this is delta Q by delta T is equals to K A delta theta by delta X. Now delta Q by delta T we need to find out, and K is given which is 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 in CGS system into this is 10 to the power 3, so 10 to the power 3 into delta theta is 42 divided by delta X means is the thickness in CGS system. I am putting this. So after cancelling, like if you cancel then 0.4 and means 4 and 22, if you cancel it will get you will get here it is 11, here it is 2, now 2 it is 21. So basically 21 that means 231 into into 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power plus 3 will cancel. So basically 231 we are getting 231. So 231 calorie per second. Why per second? Because it is rate of heat transfer, and we have done it with CGS system. So unit is calorie and second is for time. So rate of heat transfer is 231 calorie per second. Even you can write 2.31 into 10 to the power 2 calorie per second. Okay, this is the correct answer for this question. I hope you have no doubt. If you have any doubt, leave me a comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you.